Hi, this is my shepherd's hut, which was a self-build. I've decided to put it on YouTube because I found it very useful to look at other people's huts and to get ideas of what to do. So it came just as a trailer. It's an old Bale trailer for hay, and following this I'll just show a quick picture of the trailer as it arrived. It's a turntable trailer, so it's interesting reversing. Takes a bit of getting used to, and quite challenging, but it does give you an advantage. You can put it pretty well anywhere once you get practiced at it. Okay, we'll just take a quick tour around. Obviously the front. At the side, I've put this is the gas bottle, and I put a outside shower. Here's the rear. Didn't put any windows in this one, and the side, and this is a small window to the toilet area. Okay, this is inside the shepherd's hut. There's a double bed, small, 4 foot by 6, worktops. It's actually surprisingly spacious in here. Okay, I put a cool box in, a Dometic cool box, which can be a freezer or fridge. Worktops, obviously, small butler sink. Cupboard under the sink. Next to that, drawer. And then storage for pans and plates and so on. And then last cupboard is the electrics, mains supply, DMX lighting, leisure battery, and a battery charger. So basically the hut can run off 12 volts with the exception of the hot water. There's a hot water tank under the bed, as well as a 120 litre water tank. This is the bathroom area, sliding door, save space, sink, and then chemical toilet, portaloo. The whole cabin area is particularly well insulated. The patio doors are double glazed, wooden framed, the window double glazed. There's 25mm of insulation board under the floor, 50mm in the walls, and 100mm in the ceiling. Right, just to finish off, I'm just going to show you the DMX lighting. This is the controller here. And as you may be able to see, there's red, green, blue and white, and you can have any combination of those, or you can have a sequence, but I've put it on a sequence just to show you, just to give you an impression of how it works, just the different colors you can have. This is I actually put 4 different zones in, one for the main cabin, the second one in the toilet area, the third, this strip lighting under the shelf here, and a fourth, 2 spotlights under the main trailer. So as you can see here, it's just going through the various different colours that you can have, and I show the same thing with the spotlights up there. They go through. They're just going through a sequence. Obviously, you can fix them on a fixed light for any colour you want. Okay, so I think that's about it now. I hope this has been helpful. I'll follow up this with just a few. There's a slideshow just showing the various stages of build, and if you like the video and you find it useful, please give me a thumbs up. Okay, thanks very much. Any questions are welcome. Bye.